Think's gonna break that beast, Joe?
So over there, they're digging a pond, and they have it just like square with a ramp out, and I just jumped that thing on this, and let me tell you, I don't think I've even been in an airplane that high.
Oh my God. Those of you who are new to the channel here, we're called Build Break Repeat. So in order to live up to the name and for scientific purposes, we just finished building this thing, and before we paint it and strip it all down and just to repaint it, and we don't want it to break when we're all done with it, so we're gonna give it hell and see if we can break it before we paint it. In theory, we built it right and she shouldn't break at all, but
although this series is called Trying to Break, we're not blatantly trying to break it. Like we don't have the goal to destroy things. We're just putting it through its paces, seeing what fails, seeing what holds up, and then we'll know so we can fix it before we paint it. Like the brake bolt fell out, the throttle didn't hold up that we made, so we just gotta find the things that need to be tweaked for the riding that we're doing.
man, this is a great place to ride. Lighting is beautiful.
Wow. This thing's like, it has made a complete transformation. I mean, now it can really like carry speed through the corners. It was a little frustrating when it like cut out and you have to like initiate again. But now this thing just sails through it like it's nothing. Yeah. It's crazy.
Yeah, would you say it's a thumbs up for this kind of terrain?
Yeah, this is perfect. I mean, like the tires aren't even showing wear. Okay, so we've got the first thing broken. We made the necessary repairs, as you can see, all those zip ties. So we actually forgot about this. We only welded up the tops of these bars, and we were gonna flip it over and weld the bottom, but we were like really excited to drive this, so we just forgot. So it only has half the weld, so when we get back, weld that all the way up, it'll look fine and it'll be strong. So yeah.
I mean, that's why we do it.
Yep.
Well, she didn't quite survive, so now it's certainly a little lopsided, but we'll get most of the shots from this angle.
Modern asymmetrical design.
Dude, it is. Look at that. Some pretty cool cloudage. This is a pretty nice spot here. Look at that. Texas, baby.
Sunset.
Yeah, whatever. I'm
Okay,
sure
so another problem we're having is, well, I don't know if it's really that much of a problem. We definitely need to add some oil. But the crankcase vent is just spewing oil and mixing with mud, and it's really gross. So.
Yeah, because the problem is, I mean, so we're gonna be bouncing this thing around a bunch, like drifting especially, and we really need to add some sort of catch can or something like that. I'm pretty sure Go Power Sports sells a kit. I'll put the link in the description if they do. But yeah, we really just need some sort of catch can on this, that we can keep the oil just from sloshing around stuff. On normal applications, it's not really necessary, but on something like this, it probably is. So now, I'm gonna put a helmet on, we're gonna look for a jump like that, and we're gonna send it.
Uh-oh, we're doing some wheeling out there.
Hey, where's the exit?
Alright guys, this man does not quit. He's going in for round 4. I'm marking out the path, so hopefully he doesn't miss it and slam into the wall. Alright.
Alright, and that's where we're gonna stop the jump saga, because I almost face planted.
The Rally Kart is living up to its heritage.
Oh yeah, baby. Thank you for watching. This is one hell of a video. I don't know what to say. I love filming these. I mean, the last one we drove Sputnik in like 4.5 feet of water. So, I mean, this is just a recipe for disaster, but it's really fun. There were no major issues. The last thing we did on this thing was jump it, and I almost did a front flip. So, I mean, I don't think we're gonna be taking any more than that. Mud flaps held up. I was amazed that that engine, like Go Power Sports live axle kit will not break on this application. The steering, there's still a little bit of play, whatever. That's the thing, we should maybe add some bushings or whatever, but we lost the sidebar, we're shooting oil all over the place. These are all fixable things. What else, man? Oh, we got the merch. Check it out, it is sick. Look at that, Texas. So, I mean, anything else, thank you, Go Power Sports. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know what you think of the Trying to Break series. I think it's pretty good. It's a good way to test your stuff, especially if you're gonna be proud of it. So thank you guys for watching. Click that like button for that jump and see you later.